Like many of you, I've had many negative job interview experiences. Once, a company flew me from Tokyo to Washington, D.C. for a final in-person interview, but a panel of 3 interviewers caught me off guard. I felt as if I was being interrogated, and I wasn't even given the opportunity to ask questions. I sensed that I was not being treated fairly, and the experience left me with nothing but a negative impression of the company. Did you know that nearly half of job applicants withdraw from an accepted offer? According to LinkedIn, companies are focusing more than ever on candidate experience to boost their employee branding. The recent study found that 54% of candidates didn't trust organizations to be honest during the hiring process. My research explores how perception of fairness influences job applicants' likelihood to recommend a company. Research on how job applicants respond to the hiring process has traditionally focused on fairness. However, it has not adequately explained why fairness produces positive outcomes, such as the likelihood to recommend a company to others. My research hypothesis is that organizational identification is the crucial link. Organizational identification is when people see themselves as part of an organization. People care about fairness because it shows their status and value within a group. When treated fairly, they feel respected and valued. They identify themselves with the organization even before being hired. This sense of trust, which leads to belonging, influences whether they recommend the company to others. Your reputation depends on how people talk about you when you're not in the room. And the company's reputation depends on how job applicants speak about you before they join. Whether a job applicant would recommend a company is an indicator of its employer's brand. Unlike most research that uses student samples, my study will survey 300 real job seekers on their job application experiences, which significantly enhances its reliability and validity. By applying the organizational identification construct, my research offers actionable insights for organizations to refine their hiring process. Companies treating job applicants as potential in-group members rather than outsiders can enhance their organizational identification, improve employee branding, and attract better talent.